After 10 days in Merida, we're just in love with the city and its surroundings. There's just so much to explore.
So today, we thought we'd tell you more about the 4 awesome day trips that we took from this city. All of these are easily reachable by public transportation and all made for short enough trips that we didn't have to spend too long on buses.
Izamal, the yellow city, is impressive in its own way. The entire city center is painted in a bright yellow, which makes for some pretty cool pictures. Don't miss the monastery or a climb to the top of the biggest Mayan temple in town, chichen. After that, just explore the streets and find some yummy local food. If you want to splurge, you can hire a horse-drawn carriage for a ride around town.
Uxmal. Often compared to Chichen Itza for its size and beauty, this Mayan city is quite interesting. Many prefer it to Chichen Itza because it is much less busy. Designed in the Puch style, get ready to learn a lot about the Mayan rain god, Chuck. If you have any interest at all in the Mayans, uxmal makes a nice complement to Chichen Itza. We recommend you go to uxmal first.
Progresso. This beach town is less than an hour from Merida, and this day trip is a great chance to get some sand between your toes and work on your tan.
It's important to note that Progresso is a port town for Carnival Cruise Lines. This means that some days of the week are quite lively and full of tourists, and other days it can be rather sleepy. We opted for a quiet day, and it felt like we had the beach to ourselves. That said, many of the restaurants and services were closed, including a $10 massage we really had our hopes on. Do consider what you want out of the day before deciding when to go.
Chichen Itza. You can't be in Merida without visiting Chichen Itza. Yes, it is quite touristy, but it's so impressive that it doesn't matter. The main pyramid, Kukulkan, is named one of the 7 new wonders of the world, so it's an absolute must-see. There are daily public buses or organized tours from Merida. We highly suggest you take the public bus and splurge on a private guide once you arrive.
There are a lot of day trips from Merida. Cenotes, flamingos, and Mayan ruins, but we chose these 4 and were not disappointed. We hope you enjoy your trip to Merida. Please let us know if there's anything we can do to help.
Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can see other great videos or check out our Patreon community to learn more about us. I'm Kayla.
And I'm Silas.
Wishing you luck with your upcoming adventures.